Am I on now? Okay, so I'm Prashant Sridhar, Product Manager for TV Server. This is the TV Server marketing plan. So our number one or three top marketing objectives are to establish Microsoft TV Server as the premier and television platform. And the way we're going to do this is do everything we can to win showcase deals. And we define winning the showcase deal as deploying to a showcase customer successfully. Not just deploying a service, but deploying a service that they're happy with, deploying a service that their customers are happy with, and winning that deal. And then we're going to ship on time. And Dave Barry is going to talk later about that on a record. We're going to do everything we can to ship this product on time to the customer with a great deal of quality. Number two, we're going to recruit and engage an active third-party ISV and SI community to support this platform. One of the great things that the Windows platform did is not only did they ship a product, but they shipped an entire community around the product. An entire community of developers who built applications for the product, an entire community of system integrators and solution providers that built an entire service around that product and deploying that product into corporations and so on. We intend to do that with TV Server as well. And the way we can do that is we have to prove to ISVs and SIs that our platform provides the largest revenue opportunity of any interactive television service. So when we compare ourselves to Liberate, and compare ourselves to OpenTV and so on, we have to prove to these SIs and ISVs that what we're offering is a better product and a better way for them to make money. And through that, that's primarily through working with both ISVs and SIs. So working with ISVs to build products for this platform, maybe video on demand, maybe it's a number of applications that we haven't even thought of yet. So working with ISVs to build up value in the platform, and working with system integrators to prove to them that network operators and customers, end users, will want this kind of service. And then SIs will actually drum up business that way. And finally, we want to establish Microsoft as the leader in enhanced television. And the way we do that is answer all competitive threats with flexibility and quick response. So when Liberate goes into into NetOp, we have to go in there and prove to them, to the NetOp, that we're better than Liberate. When Liberate comes out with a new feature, we have to provide that feature or prove that that feature is either irrelevant or we have something better. And we do that very proactively. So everything Liberate does, we have a competitive response. And then at the same time, we continue to prove that we're a leader, that we're stretching the envelope, that we're pushing this product and this kind of service to a new limit. So our positioning defines our core competence and provides foundation for all messaging. And Peter talked about this earlier. Microsoft TV Server is a commercial-grade platform that enables TV commerce with a variety of interactive services. And the key elements here are commercial grade. This is a product that the network operators are not going to be scared to deploy. This is a product that they can be assured will run to a degree of satisfaction that they expect. And it enables TV commerce. So it enables network operators and ISPs and end users and everyone else to make money or to spend money using this interactive service. And through a variety of interactive services, such as email, such as video on demand, such as shopping, such as everything else you're accustomed to in the internet, as well as a bunch of things that we maybe haven't thought of yet. So our primary support for this positioning are four key elements that Peter talked about earlier. The platform services, which provides a commercial-grade foundation for maintaining and delivering an interactive content. We do this through integration with third-party software that supports the platform message. So again, we're working with ISPs, we're working with system integrators, we're working with solution providers, and we're working with NetOps themselves to provide content for the platform. Through device services, which enable remote administration and maintenance of Microsoft TV client equipment. So when we work in conjunction with Microsoft TV, supporting this end-to-end platform message. You know, the network operator is going to deploy 1 million set-top boxes. And so we have in the product the capability to manage and administer all of those set-top boxes. A set of application services that provide end users with powerful, compelling applications. And this highlights the TV commerce interactive services message. So not only are we shipping a platform and shipping a product, we're also shipping a set of service applications on top of that platform and on top of that product that is compelling enough for the network operator to deploy to end users, for the network operator to make more money, for the end user to find that TV is more entertaining, more fun, more useful. And then we have a set of configuration and administration services that eases setup and maintenance of Microsoft TV Server and supports the platform message. So, you know, when the network operator deploys the interactive TV server to throughout their system, they'll be able to administer and monitor that very easily. So our naming and branding for Microsoft TV Server creates a consistent image, and it's akin to the Windows logo or Intel inside. Microsoft, we we've changed the name from Microsoft TV Pack, Microsoft TV Platform, and so on. So what we're saying is always use Microsoft TV Server in demos, code, documentation, presentations, etc. And we've changed the name from TV Pack to Microsoft TV Platform. So the client portion of the product is called Microsoft TV. The server portion is called Microsoft TV Server, and the overall product is called the Microsoft TV Platform. We divide up our customers that we go after in 4 different categories. The first category is system integrators and solution providers. These are the technical decision makers at network operators, and all they care about is just making this product work. So the dev team is building a product geared towards SIs and SPs. When they build this product, it will get shipped out as a CD to system integrators and solution providers. Those SIs and SPs will be responsible for customizing the product that we give them for the network operator. The network operator is who we're trying to sell to. So in a marketing sense, we go after the network operator and we tell them, this is a great platform for you. You're going to need the aid of a system integrator or a solution provider in order to deploy this platform. So our focus here is twofold. In marketing sense, we're focused on network operators, convincing them that we have a great value add product. And then in a development sense, we're focusing on system integrators and solution providers, showing them that we have a product with a great set of documentation, awesome APIs, things that they can add on to. And then we'll provide a lot of messaging towards end users that shows network operators that this makes TV more useful, more fun, more entertaining. And at the same time, in parallel throughout this entire platform effort, we're also going after ISVs and showing ISVs that this is a great product for them to build stuff on top of. So are there questions? That's the TV server marketing plan. That's our overall objectives, our overview for going after Microsoft TV server customers. There's a lot more detail. You can always send an email to get this question. So go ahead.
No, please spot. But you mentioned the competitive materials, stuff you're working on. So is that, I know you've hired a firm or something to do that.
Yeah. So the question is, do we have some competitive documentation, competitive materials? Yes. So there will be kind of 3 efforts as far as doing competitive analysis. The first one is a basic competitive analysis. So going out to Edgar filings, going out and finding out, what a basic product positioning is of Liberate, OpenTV, and whoever else happens to come along, who else BizDev needs a response from. Right. So things like, how do they position their product? What are the features of their product? How do the features stand against Microsoft TV Server? That's the first level. The second level is where we actually hire an outside firm to contact contact network operators, contact our competitors, and get a lot more in-depth information about how the product is to install, the technical aspects of the product. How easy is it to build a SO that interacts with the billing system, and how does that procedure compare with how we would in Microsoft TV Server? That kind of competitive analysis is great for BizDev in lower-level meetings. It's also really important for our development team to provide a competitive response to everything we have. And the final kind of competitive analysis is more of a research effort, where we go out to network operators in a blind manner and ask, what do you need in the product? What kind of TV offerings do you expect to have in next few years, in the next decade, whatever? And all of those things together will allow us to build a better product. But the key things for BizDev, I think, are the first top-level competitive analysis, and then also that in-depth competitive analysis for later meetings. Oh, absolutely. The Liberate competitive analysis, top-level Liberate competitive analysis is finished. Later on, at the end of this presentation, we'll have a URL that we'll publish, and all of these competitive analyses will be on that URL. The OpenTV top-level competitive analysis is in progress, and it should be done by the time the video gets out to the field. Okay? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to Dave Barry now.